Good morning, children. We go with this story reading. The Magic of Silk. This is a story from China. A long time ago, there lived an old woman in a hut in the forest. Her husband had been killed by a tiger some years ago. She was old and weak. Life was difficult for her and her daughter. Xiu Mei. Xiu Mei did all the cooking and cleaning herself. She also looked after the silkworms in their garden. The worms gave them fine thread to make beautiful silk. Xiu Mei sold the silk to travelers in the village market. In this way, she got enough money to buy food and other things. One day, as Xiu Mei was returning home, it started to rain heavily. It was getting dark too. Xiu Mei ran into the first hut she saw. The door was open and there was no one inside. Is anybody in? She called loudly, again and again, but there was no reply. Xiu Mei looked around the hut. The floor was very dirty. Bowls and pots were left unwashed. Xiu Mei swept the floor and washed all the bowls and pots. By the time she had finished, the hut was clean as a new one. By then, the rain had stopped too. I had better to go home, she said to herself. Mother will be worried. As she walked out of the hut, she saw a strange old man. His long beard reached down to his waist. He looked about 100 years old. The old man looked at Xiu Mei and smiled. Uncle, she said, I went into the hut because it was raining. I hope you don't mind. Not at all, young girl, replied the old man. His eyes fell on the clean floor and on the bowls and pots. Did you clean the hut for me? Yes, answered Xiu Mei. Let me help you into the hut. The old man was very happy. You are a very kind girl, he said. I must give you a present. He took out a pair of scissors and cut off a little of his long white beard. He put it in a piece of old cloth, tied it up and gave the bundle to her. Do not give it to anyone, said the old man. Open it when you get home. Xiu Mei thanked him and went home. Her mother was very glad to see Xiu Mei safe. Xiu Mei told her mother about the old man. Xiu Mei opened the bundle to show her mother the old man's white beard. To their surprise, they saw the finest silk thread in the whole of China. They began to weave with the silk thread. When they had finished weaving, they had made the finest silk they had ever seen. They noticed that the bundle of silk thread still remained exactly the same size as before. News of their wonderful silk spread far and wide. The old woman and her daughter became famous and lived happily ever after. It is a story of a woman and a daughter. In this, the woman was too old with her daughter, lived in China, and the name of the daughter was Xiu Mei, and they had a garden with the silkworms. They collect silk thread from them and sold them in the market, and with that money they lead their life. One day, while she returned from market, it was raining, so she went into a hut. Then it was too dirt and with dirty vessels. Xiu Mei cleaned the floor and vessels, and she turned that into a new hut. She returned to her home. While moving from there, she saw an old man with long beard until his waist part. So, as a gift, he offered his beard in a cloth to Xiu Mei, and he said that after reached home, she used to open it. After reaching home with her mother, she opened that cloth and surprised. There they observed a finest silk in the whole China. That thread was unlimited. The thread was unlimited. The famous of that silk spread all over the world, and they lead a good life. We will send the photos of these notes and write it in your classwork.